Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here to show you this impressive countryside property with swimming pool and tennis court. It has approximately 3,000 square metres of land, mostly planted to olive. The house itself is around 250 square metres. It's extremely high quality with very nice windows, all double glazed. Lots of beautiful wood detailing and a nice mix of modern and traditional styling. So we're here in Granada Province in Andalusia, and we're about 25 minutes from Granada City. The airport of Malaga is about an hour, and the airport of Granada is only 10 minutes away. So through the main front door, there's a hall with two good-sized bedrooms off. That's your first one, and here's your second bedroom. You can see nice sized rooms, very good quality finish. And these rooms share a bathroom. Just off this hallway, we come to the large sitting room, kitchen, dining room with beautiful wood beamed ceilings. And as you can see, it's been done in a very traditional style, but beautifully done. So at the end here, we have the kitchen. An absolute joy in this room is the wood burning pizza oven. Absolutely amazing. This house is being sold mostly furnished. Not everything, of course. Some of the things are personal items for the family. There's also a wood burning stove for heating. There's air conditioning in this property, mains electricity and mains water. And then there's a little understair bodega. It's a very comfortable house. It has a really nice feel to it. Okay, let's head upstairs. You can see good quality tiling, very nice finish. Lots of natural light comes through. Very high ceilings in the hallway too. And at the top here, it leads to the large master room with an ensuite. There's lovely views wherever you look. There's an ensuite shower room. And this room has a large private terrace. And from here you can see the relax area, the tennis court, your olive trees, and there's beautiful views all the way round. It's a little misty today, but you'd be able to see all the local mountains, the Sierra Nevada, the Sierras de Alhama, Tejeda and Almejara. Let's go back downstairs and we'll take a visit to the outside spaces. We'll head outside via this door. This is the door the family generally use to enter the property, and it comes in via the two-car garage. You can see hot water is by electric tank. It's a nice size space, an electric gate, doorway for the garage, and also an electric gate as well as a standard gate for entry. There's lots of olive trees. Some of the trees are planted for eating olive and other of the trees are for oil. There's raised beds over here for vegetables. And of course, if you wanted to put up more fencing or more of these cypress trees, you can, that's fine. Round here we have the barbecue zone with a really nice wood covered porch. And there's a shower room with loo. So this is perfect if you're by the swimming pool and you don't want to go into the house. Everything's really beautifully kept. You have natural grass here. And because the owners have dogs, this area is fenced off. So here's your pool area. It's 4 metres by 8 metres. And there's also a covered pergola for shade. Let's go through this way. And in the large shed here is all the mechanisms for the swimming pool as well as a log store. And through here there's kennels for dogs, or you could change the use and have chickens. You can tell we're in the countryside because we're getting lots of sounds of birds. So here you have an area for dogs, or as I say, for other animals, chickens, a couple of goats. Here's one of the doggies. There's a big sports area. So there's room here for five-a-side football, basketball and tennis or paddle. Let's go through this gate. But you can see everything is really well cared for. There's irrigation to the plants. And the owners have put a lot of thought into each zone of the house to make it a very, very comfortable property. And that grass is the really lovely springy type that we get here in Andalusia. So if we head this way round, here's your olive trees. And there's a nice area in the centre which is filled with herbs. So when you have your barbecue, there's plenty of herbs to improve your flavours. Let me show you one of the eating olive trees. It has amazing sized olives on it. It's quite wonderful. This is what you could be eating later in the year when they're all ready. So we hope you've enjoyed this video and that you're very interested to come and visit this house. Viewings are by appointment only. Please request a viewing in the comments section below. Click subscribe. Hit the notification button to get information of all our upcoming properties and new videos as they arise. We look forward to welcoming you here to have a viewing of your new property in Spain.